In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a front motor mount on your Honda Accord. Using a piece of wood on top of a jack, we're going to jack up the oil pan just a little bit, like that. Using a 17mm socket, remove the top two bolts on the motor mount. Remove the bracket. Using a 14mm wrench, remove the bolt off the top of the motor mount. Remove the bolt. Using a 14mm on a swivel socket, we're going to remove the 4 bolts at the base of the motor mount. You may need to pull up this boot to be able to access the bolt. Go up on your jack just a little bit. Remove the vacuum line out of this blue plastic stay. Just like that. I'm going to remove this little boot. Push the motor mount to the driver's side. Then we're going to remove the vacuum hose out of the bottom of the motor mount. To install the motor mount, start by putting the vacuum line onto the bottom of the mount. Install the motor mount. We're going to slide our motor mount slightly forward and install our boot. Just like that. Get the motor mount bolts started. Go around and snug down all of the bolts. Torque the bottom motor mount bolts to 40 foot-pounds. Install the line into the blue plastic stay. You may need to let the motor down a bit to do this. Snug the bolt down. Torque it to 40 foot-pounds. Install the bracket. Then grab the bracket off of the vacuum line and install it onto the stud. Get the nuts started. Snug the bolts down. Torque the nuts to 47 foot-pounds. Let the jack down. Do this slowly. Remove the jack from under the car.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.